Hello, welcome to the First Trainer. So we're going to continue with part 3 now. Okay, so this is part 3. Is the one that you have the same as the other two. You have a text with 8 gaps, and now what you have to do is change the word. Okay, you are given succeed, you have to write successful. So this is the word you're given. So it tests basically vocabulary, so knowing the different parts of speech, noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. And then you have to be careful with spelling. You'll have to change the words, either the whole word, for example, high, height. Okay, there the word changes quite a lot, or sometimes with a prefix or a suffix. Prefix is what goes before, okay, like unsuccessful, and suffix is what comes at the end, like full, beautiful, useful. Okay, so this idea of noun, verb, adjective, and adverb, these are the 4 parts of speech you can get. So if you can write down what they are, thank you very much. Okay, so imagination is a noun. So imagination is a noun. Let's see if I can write. Imaginative, adjective, imaginatively, when you have ly, okay, you make the adverb with ly. Okay, easy, easily, imaginative, imaginatively. So that's the adverb. And then sometimes you have different adjectives, like bored, boring. Both are adjectives, they have different meanings. Or impressed, impressive. So imaginable is an adjective too. Then you have unimaginable, negative adjective, and unimaginatively as the negative adverb. Okay, you have to be extremely careful when you need the negative. Okay, negative adjective and negative adverb, unimaginable and unimaginably. Have to be careful with a couple of things. Okay, number 1, when you need a negative form, you will know this because of the context of the sentence. Okay, you say I'm a Barcelona supporter, so I can't say I was really happy when Barca lost. Doesn't make sense. I was really unhappy when Barca lost. Okay, the sentence will help you decide whether you need the positive or the negative. Okay, that's one thing. And then with the adverbs, I said normally you add ly. When it ends in ble, no, like incredible, responsible, etc., what happens is that, okay, you write a y, unimaginable, unimaginably expensive. Okay, so next exercise, we'll do 2 steps. Okay, first decide what kind of word you need. Remember what we've seen before. Okay, you have this the, a, or possessive adjectives, my, you have this, you have quantifiers, like many, you have prepositions. If there's only one word, that word will normally be a noun. Okay, my pen, the pen, etc. Okay, if you have a word in between, you will normally need an adjective, my new pen. And if you have another one, it will be an adverb or perhaps another adjective. You know, you can have 2 adjectives. Okay, I don't know, my new blue pen. Okay, so my new blue pen, you have 2 adjectives. Or my really old pen, it's a really old pen, you have adverb, adjective, noun. And something similar happens with verb to be. Sometimes verb to be is an auxiliary verb and you need a verb. Okay, for example, when you need the passive, he is believed, he is known to be, so you need a verb. But most times you need an adjective. Okay, he's clever, he's silly, he's tall. And if you have a word in between because you have a gap, that will be an adverb. He's very tall, he's really tall. Okay, so these cover most of the answers. Okay, so if you need a word according to this, 3, 2, 1, you need a noun. Here, verb to be as a main verb. Okay, so you need an adjective, the other one I told you. He's always, okay, so you need a verb. How do you know that you need a verb? Because there isn't a verb. He always his friends when, this is a new sentence with a new subject. Well, this is the same subject but with a subject, a verb. So you need a verb because there isn't a verb. Okay, on first, so you have a preposition, you have the adjective, so the word that's missing is the noun. Okay, so all these except for the verb, which is, okay, it's a verb because you don't have a verb. and you perform that jump very okay. Here it's you need an adverb because it modifies how you performed. You did it well, okay? So this goes with performed, so okay. An adverb. This is what I'm making here. And the theater production was okay. You need an adjective. Is this one, okay? And I don't know what is it. An adjective, okay? So from the word impress, now try to write down. This is the first step, is knowing what you need, and now you need to actually write down the word, okay? Which is not easy. It's no easy task either. So ready? Okay. I'm going to now stop the video. Try to do it, and I'm going to start giving the answer in 3, 2, 1. So the noun is impression. They were impressed. Here always impresses, then you have to write the correct form of the verb. On first impressions, you need the noun in plural, and impressively. Impressive is the other adjective. Something is impressive, so you did that impressively. It's not very common, but impressive is a word you should know. And the adjective here is again impressive, to describe what something is like. Impress is how you feel, and impressive when we describe what something is like. Okay, so next exercise, well, I think I'm going to stop here and I'm going to record a different video. Thank you.